It was very hot noon of the 12th of June, when Air India 787 Dreamliner, flight AI-171 took off from Ahmedabad Airport Sardar Vallabhbhai Petal International Airport for London. The plane was carrying 242 passengers and 12 crew members. Among passengers were also Dr. Pratik Joshi and his family. Dr. Pratik was staying in London for last 6 years. His wife Dr. Komi Vyas and 3 children were staying in India. They were waiting to fly to London since long past 6 years. It was the lucky day of the 12th of June, when Pratik was taking them to London after completing all legal formalities. Just after takeoff, the unfortunate plane crashed on a medical students' hostel with heavy fire intensified by fuel of plane itself. Dr. Pratik, his wife and their children could not complete the dreams and died with other passengers. 24 students died in hostel due to this crash. All passengers and crew were died and a lucky passenger was survived. Just after Mayday call, contact of plane was lost off. Indian PM said on X, "The tragedy in Ahmedabad had stunned and saddened us. It is a heartbreaking beyond words. Till now authorities are unable to calculate the reasons of the incident." Viewers, such incidents are painful. Please share your sentiments in comments.